If you're posting AI-generated content using voiceovers or running a faceless YouTube channel, guys, this video affects you immediately. Now, as of July 15th, 2025, YouTube has officially activated its new monetization policy update. And trust me, if you're not paying close attention to these policies, your channel could be demonetized or worse still, be terminated from the YouTube platform. Yes, that is how serious this is. But then, in this video, I'm going to walk you through what this new policy actually says, why it is such a big deal, especially for some small content creators, and also what YouTube now classify as inauthentic content. And most importantly, how can you protect your channel if you are using AI, text-to-speech, stock videos, or faceless format? This isn't about fear, guys. It's about getting informed, not deformed, and staying safe. So let us dive right into the video. Now, the July 15th update, what really changed for this monetization update? First thing first, this is not a brand new policy. Yes, this policy that you guys are seeing flying up and down, it didn't just come out today. This policy was established in the last 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 years ago from YouTube. You understand? And the rules around repetitive or reuse content have existed for years. It's not a new thing. The only problem we have is that we don't read information. And that is why we end up making a mess of everything. So what's new is the enforcement in this policy. So on July 15, 2025, the YouTube officially rebranded its repetitious content policy to a broader term, which is called the inauthentic content. Okay, so this is just a name. Yes, it's not just a name that changed. It reflects a shift in how seriously YouTube is treating content originality. They are cracking down on low-effort videos, copied formats, and auto-generated content that lacks human input or value. Now, let me be clear to you. YouTube isn't saying you should not use AI-generated content. No, that's not what they're saying. What they are simply telling you is, if you want to use AI-generated content, if you do, please make sure you are actually creating something originally out of it. Don't just go online, get a copy anything you want, then come and paste it, or just take it to your CapCut and join it together and come and paste on YouTube. No, they see that as inauthentic. So what counts as inauthentic content on YouTube? Now, what exactly is, let's look at the word inauthentic content. What does it mean? Here are some common red flags that could get your channel demonetized under this July 15th monetization policy. Number one is what? Those people that use text-to-speech videos with no editing. Yes, if you're generating AI voiceovers and uploading them as if without, you're not even adding any visual editing, context, or maybe narrative improvement, your content is now at risk. You need to sit up and do something about it. Rework on this. Then also another thing is those people that use stock slideshows with no voiceovers or transformation. You go online, you get stock slideshows, and then just come and join it together in CapCut without any transformation. Reusing stock clips or slides without narration, storytelling, or even meaningful edits won't cut it anymore. Okay, then also repetitive AI-generated videos. Those that use repetitive AI-generated videos, for example, copying someone's viral video script or template and re-uploading your own version with AI voice and images. It is now considered as inauthentic. Yes. Then another thing that YouTube considered as inauthentic is you reuse templates without transformation. Channels using the exact same format, script, title, description, and thumbnails as other creators are walking a fine line. Yes, YouTube is watching for this. And also those that their content has watermark. You understand? Watermarked content or stolen visuals. So if you are using images or video clips from other sources, especially ones with watermark, it can flag your video as low effort or reuse. So in a nutshell, guys, repetition without value is equal to risk. Now, what is still allowed? What does YouTube still allow us, or those people that are into this, what does it allow them to do? Now, for the good news, AI content, voiceovers, and faceless videos are still allowed on YouTube. You just have to add value, and here is how you can do it. Number one is make it original. Add your own ideas, transitions, editions, or commentaries. Even if you are using AI generated content, make sure that you make it original. Then also, edit your work thoroughly. Use tools like, if you don't know how to use CapCut, InShot, KineMasters, and all of that, you need to use tools like all this CapCut or Premiere Pro to cut, layer, and add a row or music, or better still, voiceover. You understand? So the more human effort you put in, the better for you and your channel. Then also, you should also use high quality voice generation. So if you are using AI to generate your narration, invest in good softwares or apps. Yes, don't just record low quality text to speech through a phone speaker. It doesn't work out. So avoid copy and paste prompts. Copy and paste prompts has really dealt with a lot of creators here on YouTube. So instead of relying 100% on ChatGPT or templates, please tweak your prompt. Blend them with your own voice and make results uniquely yours. Then check out for repetition. If your channel is filled with similar videos, review them, please. Remove or unlist ones that might appear repetitive or reuse. That is the thing. Then, here are real-world examples of what demonetization looks like here on YouTube. Now, let me give you two real-life cases I've come across with recently. Now, one creator had over 100,000 subscribers, and they ran a successful faceless channel, but their videos were all built using someone else's script and layout with AI images, with no narration and no edits. Now, YouTube banned the entire channel. I wonder how they must have felt. You understand? I wonder how they must have felt. Then another friend of mine admitted that she always copy other people's titles, thumbnails, and description from trending videos, thinking it was harmless. She didn't actually know. You understand? And at the end, what happened? Their channel got flagged and removed from the surface of YouTube. So, know this. This isn't just talk. You understand? This is already happening. There are some live testimonies that a lot of people can attest to this. So, even if your channel is saved today, one feature upload could trigger a review of your past content. Okay? So, what should you do right now? Immediately after you finish watching this video, please, this is what I will recommend you do now. In fact, starting from today, do this. Please always audit your content. Yes, go through your uploaded videos. Look for anything that has to do with maybe you repeat the same structure or script as others. Use text-to-speech with no human touch. Then also, maybe any of your content that contains only stock images or slides with no narration or unique editing. Make a plan to improve or unlist either to improve those videos by re-editing them, adding narration, or trimming out repetitive parts, or set them to private. Better still, it's going to save you a lot. Now, add more human touch to feature videos. If you are, especially if you are using a ChatGPT for your script, add your own personality, inject real stories, thoughts, process, and jokes. All these things helps a lot. Then also, don't forget to diversify your visual use custom. Yes, your visual use customs. Even if you are using stocks or AI generated image, mix it up with transition, caption, overlays, or animated elements. It is going to really help you out on this. Now, make sure to invest in good audio use. Remember that higher quality AI video apps, or better yet, start recording your own voice, because God has given us, in fact, God has blessed us so much with nice voice. I know a lot of people that has good voice here. In fact, I happen to be one of those persons that have good voice. This voice you are listening to now, I'm not using any microphone. No, I'm using my natural voice without any support of anything. Okay, so please try to use your voice, all right? Then also edit with purpose, CapCut, voice notes, Adobe Rush, or whatever tool you can use. Make sure that your video isn't just AI plus slideshows. No, cut, trim, rearrange, and build something dynamic. Okay, so to wrap it up, guys, yes, AI is here to stay. Yes, faceless videos can still thrive. And yes, YouTube still wants you to succeed. But with the July 15th update now live, the platform is drawing a clear line between creators and content recyclers. So if you are willing to put in even just a bit more effort, please edit smarter, speak clearer, add your human touch, you are going to be completely fine. And please, if this video helped clarify things for you, do give me a huge favor. Like this video, drop a comment if you have questions, subscribe for our weekly updates, in fact our daily update like this, and most importantly, go and check your past content. Protect your channel before it is too late. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay original, guys. I love you all. Bye.